As sales operations managers, our goal is to mobilize our sales team to do what they do best, to nurture leads and build relationships quicker and faster. That means we need to eliminate any time spent towards finding and researching leads. As part of the RingLead platform, Capture is an easy-to-use application that plugs into your Chrome browser that you can use to instantly find, enrich, and import 1,000 or more leads or contacts with the simple click of a button. After downloading Capture to your browser and connecting it to your CRM, get started by opening Capture and navigating to your target company's webpage. We then click Capture to capture the information. Capture automatically searches in your CRM to see if the captured content exists anywhere in your target database. Now we have the contact information, but it's not complete. I can use the Capture enrichment function to do a real-time web crawl and fill in the missing contact data points. Now that the enrichment is finished, we'll open up the Details dropdown to see the completed research. Here I could see that, in seconds, Capture found an email which is verified, a phone number, and multiple points of contact across social networks. We also extracted firmographics on the target company, such as company location and company size. If you continue scrolling down, you'll find more valuable information on the contact and the contact's company. Now that we've enriched the contacts and have their verified email addresses, we'll run a deeper search on our CRM to see if any of these contacts already exist in our database. Here, we see that COO already exists in our CRM. We're going to open up that record and click the Update button so we can merge the new information with the existing contact. We then see that we captured a new direct dial phone number. After clicking and choosing these things, I can now click Update, which gives me one single record inside my Salesforce. Finally, we will export the captured records. We have the option to export them directly into your Salesforce, to RingLead, or into a CSV file, all while avoiding duplicate records. Capture is a powerful lead capturing engine, and with its enhanced capabilities, it could completely eliminate any manual work needed to build lead lists. If you enjoyed this video and would like to give your sales team time back in their day by increasing the quality of your CRM data, sign up for a free trial today at ringlead.com.